Okay, guys, so we're here again to our our session of predicting teams on the NBA, making our picks on the NBA game, one of the NBA games. So, for today's game, we feature Minnesota Timberwolves versus the Phoenix Suns. So, quick review on our records 9-1. So, we are on a hot winning streak today. So, 9-1. So, let's continue our streak. So, game info. Wolves 10-5, number 6 on the West, while the Suns 9-6, 7th on the West. The game will happen at Friday, November 21, 2025 at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, which is November 22, 2025 at 8 a.m. in Manila. So, I'm here in the Philippines. So, that's it. So, we're Phoenix Arena in Phoenix, Arizona. So, the home court advantage will go to the Phoenix Suns. So, let's look at the spread. So, while I'm doing this presentation, the Wolves is minus 2.5 while the Suns is plus 2.5. But I think today it's 3.5. So, we change it to 3.5. So, over and under 234.5. So, final pick, Wolves minus 2.5 or minus 3.5. It doesn't matter. I'll go to the Wolves minus 3.5. So, why Wolves? Because, so, let's check first the availability of their roster. So, Dante DiVincenzo is available. He will wear a face mask. And Jaden McDaniels is day to day because of his wrist injury, but he didn't play last time. I think he will play today because he is on the list of the player in the odds. Then while the Suns have Grayson Allen out, Jalen Green out. So Grayson Allen is a good addition to their team. Jalen Green, so they're out. They are both key players. So that's one reason that I picked the Minnesota Timberwolves. And another thing is 8 wins for Wolves in the past 10 head-to-head matchups. So the Timberwolves really is sitting with the Suns. So they are hot versus the Suns. The Timberwolves beat the Wizards 121-09 Wednesday, failing to cover a 16 points home favorite as the under hit. So they did not able to cover last time, but I think they can cover 3.5 deficit. So the Suns took down Portland 127-110 Tuesday, covering as a 2-point road underdog. The over hit 235.5 cash. So that's it. So the Suns hit the win versus the Portland. It's a very good win versus Portland, and I think this game will be competitive one. But I still have the Wolves to win and cover the spread. I just remember the last time they faced at the playoffs when the Wolves won 4-0. So that can go out in my mind the time that the Timberwolves swept the Phoenix Suns. So that's one of the reason why I picked Wolves minus 3.5. So again, we pick Wolves minus 3.5, and that's also a special reminder, if you're gonna bet, please bet on moderation. So you can message me if you have a gambling problem. Please stop gambling if you have a gambling problem. So if you wanna join our GC, it's free. So that's all, guys, and thank you and goodbye and good luck. And I'm out.